Good tobacco begins in the soil, loose, well-drained, and rich in organic life.
Seed selection and careful sowing ensure uniform growth. Spacing, depth, and moisture matter. Nursery care means steady humidity, regular ventilation, and removing weak plants early. Ventilate daily.
Transplant when seedlings reach 35 to 45 days and have 5 to 7 true leaves.
Testing guides amendments. You can't manage what you don't measure. Shade management in nursery reduces transplant shock.
Healthy compost provides slow-release nutrients. Mix brown and green. Maintain moisture and heat.
Priming speeds and synchronizes germination.
Automated nursery control stabilizes seedling growth and reduces losses.
Planning spacing determines final plant size pipe. Keep consistent rows for mechanized operations. A gentle dip reduces early-stage disease. Transport with care. Avoid dehydration and heat stress.
Transplant on cloudy days or late afternoon to reduce shock. Set roots at soil level to promote establishment.
Irrigation uniformity matters. Drips deliver precise moisture and conserve water.
Starter nutrition gives new transplants a boost. Balance is key.
Early growth sets yield potential. Monitor for pests, nutrient stress, and uneven growth.
Leaf symptoms reveal hidden problems.
Topping encourages fuller leaf development and eases machine harvest later.
Responsive irrigation prevents stress and uneven curing. Weather-informed decisions reduce pesticide drift and increase efficacy.
IPM uses monitoring first, improve out. Act only when thresholds are reached. Selective pruning focuses plant energy into premium leaves.
Foliar feeding can correct short-term deficiencies quickly. From watering and scouting to topping and training the rows, every daily task is critical. We log the day.
All right, team, let's get moving. Harvest in cool hours to reduce leaf wilting and preserve oil content.
Harvest by position. Lower leaves mature first and have different qualities. Staggered leaf harvest maintains continuous processing. Handle cuts carefully to avoid staining and microbial entry.
Quality control during harvest reduces sorting work later. As you can see on the rubric, we look for deep green color and less than 5% blemishes.
Mechanized harvesting speeds collection, but requires careful calibration to prevent damage.
Immediate transfer to curing facilities preserves quality. Initial field sorting streamlines later processing and fermentation. A staged approach keeps plant vigor and optimizes leaf quality. Post-harvest hygiene prevents mold and off flavors. Accurate harvest records link field inputs to output and trace quality. Good harvesting is patient, precise, and traceable, the bridge between field care and final product. The journey of flavor begins here. Once harvested, tobacco leaves must enter the curing barn quickly. Proper spacing prevents mold and ensures even airflow, shaping the leaf's texture and color. Air curing is a natural transformation, slow, patient, driven by climate. Temperature and humidity shape aroma and burn quality. Flue curing develops a brighter leaf color and milder profile, using controlled heat rather than open smoke. Fire curing infuses deep flavor, used for cigars and specialty blends.
Moisture levels tell the story. Too dry cracks, too wet molds.
Rotation ensures consistent curing. Every leaf deserves equal air. Prevent, not react. Mold spreads silently. Temperature must rise gradually, not shock the leaf. Curing barns demand respect. Heat, smoke, ladders, confined space.
Properly cured tobacco flexes, not snaps, and shows even golden brown color.
Curing ends where fermentation begins. The internal chemistry continues.
After curing, tobacco enters a critical phase, fermentation, where time, temperature, and chemistry transform flavor.
Rehydration prevents cracking and prepares leaves for stacking filling. Moisture activates natural enzymes.
Fermentation is a controlled biological process. Leaves generate heat naturally as sugars, proteins, and ammonia break down.
Too hot, or flavor burns. Too cold, or fermentation stalls.
Fermentation removes harshness and develops aroma, obviously. It is the soul of premium tobacco.
Sorting ensures uniform burn, taste, and color in final blends. Color is a language. Consumers expect consistency. Elasticity indicates correct moisture. Aroma reflects fermentation success. Destemming improves burn and provides uniform cut size for cigarettes. Science preserves tradition vegan, ensuring safety and consistency.
Stored correctly, tobacco continues to mature. Like wine, time deepens character.
Each bale now carries a unique identity, destined for diverse blends and signature tastes.
This stage is where raw tobacco matures. Its harshness softens and its aroma develops. Sorting ensures the fermentation process is even and consistent, preventing overheating and mold.
These piles, known as tobacco bulks, generate their own heat as natural fermentation begins.
Precision controls are essential. Too hot, the batch burns. Too cold, the aroma never develops.
Churning, or aeration, prevents overheating and ensures uniform fermentation, preserving flavor and aroma.
Too dry, the leaf cracks. Too moist, it molds. Moisture balance is the heartbeat of fermentation.
Insip the leaf, starch converts to sugars, bitterness dissolves, and natural aroma forms.
The finest tobacco is never rushed. True aging can take weeks, months, sometimes years. Experts judge quality through sight, touch, and scent, craftsmanship that machines cannot replicate.
You must listen to the leaves. They tell you when they are ready.
Fermentation honors ancient knowledge while embracing precision science.
In silence and darkness, tobacco reaches its full character.
Only leaves that meet strict standards advance to the next stage, cutting, blending, and manufacturing into the final product.
After months of fermentation and aging, the tobacco enters the cutting phase, where craftsmanship becomes precision engineering.
Before cutting, the leaf must regain elasticity. Too brittle, it shatters. Too wet, it clumps.
Removing the stem ensures a smoother burn and refined taste. This step defines premium tobacco quality. Cutting converts the leaf into the familiar tobacco shred, designed to burn evenly and release its aromatic signature. Every brand has its own tobacco cut, fine for quick burn, thicker for slow luxury smoke.
Blending is an art. Each region contributes character, sweetness, strength, aroma, and aftertaste.
Machines may blend, but mastery remains human.
Flavoring enhances profile. Subtle, controlled, never overpowering.
Steam opens the pores of tobacco, embedding flavor deep within its structure.
A perfect balance, dry enough to burn, moist enough to handle.
Cooling locks the flavor, stabilizing the blend before packaging.
Only when taste, burn rate, aroma, and moisture align, tobacco earns the right to become a finished product. Every strand is calibrated, cut, flavored, and conditioned, now ready for transformation. The paper is designed to burn slow, consistent, controlled, a science of safety and tradition.
At over 8,000 cigarettes per minute, precision is not optional. It is survival.
The seam must be invisible yet strong, controlling burn rate, preventing unraveling. Filters are engineered to cool, to reduce harshness, to shape the signature taste of each brand. Each plug is identical, precision at microscopic scale. This union defines the identity of the cigarette, balance between strength, airflow, and flavor. Engineering turns raw leaf into thousands of perfectly matched units every minute. Quality is not checked, it is enforced. The perfect inhale requires scientific balance. Beyond machines, flavor remains human. Only after rigorous mechanical and human evaluation does the product advance to the final stage. From raw leaf to refined product, now the journey enters its final stage. Packaging begins with perfect formation, repetition without error.
The inner wrap preserves freshness and aroma, shielding the leaf from time and air.
Precision prevents damage, protects structure, preserves integrity. The outer pack reflects brand identity, design, message, trust. Every pack carries identity, compliance, and traceability. This final skin protects against moisture and tampering. A single gesture to open. A small convenience engineered to perfection. From consumer pack to logistic unit, scaling organization for global delivery. Automation strengthens the supply chain. Speed, safety, scalability. Temperature and humidity decide freshness. Technology safeguards every leaf. From farm to factory to world, this journey spans continents. Scan complete.
Complete. Verifying shipment to Germany.
Confirmed.
Requesting forklift for immediate transport.
comparing the manifest to the seal now.
It's right here, ending in 459.
Yes, that matches. Everything appears to be in order.